Hey everybody, Jim King out here in beautiful Blue Springs, Missouri. This job right here is kind of a special job. It's for a good friend of mine, Bobby Eads. I went to high school with Bobby. Great guy. This is Bobby's in-laws, and we're going to take really good care of them. We've got 6 King Pier 2s going along the front of this house, from the corner all the way to the north corner of the garage. We've got our holes laid out. We're going to saw cut the holes, start digging, and get to it. When we're done lifting the house back to its correct level elevations, we'll come in, fix all the drywall cracks, form free bono charge. There won't be no charge to it, and patch all the cracks for them. We'll do our epoxy injection. We already went down and sealed one crack with polyurethane that was leaching water. So stay tuned on this, because this is going to be one that I want everybody to check out. So for all your foundation piering needs, call King Piers, 816-288-4373. I believe we have the very best piering system on the planet. Our piers don't fail. We don't go to bedrock. We more or less create bedrock under your little tiny footing, built to the standard minimum. So give us a call. Check us out on Facebook, YouTube, or you can go to our website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.